Today we're going to talk about building confidence and relying on your trading skills. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, down at the park again. Yes, sun's out in Perth. Just finished a run and have my dogs down here. And again, they're not moving too fast anymore, but they still love getting out. So today we're going to be talking about building confidence and relying on your trading skills. I was rereading an article on Richard Dennis. Yesterday we talked a bit about some of the work Peter Brandt's done and some of the quotes that he studied and learned off of Richard Dennis, who started the Turtle Traders. And some of what Richard Dennis built into his trading plan with the turtles was based on Richard Donchian's work, which was basically 4-week breakouts. 4-week high breakouts, 4-week low breakouts. And the whole idea behind that is trend following, is that they obviously at some point would get caught up into a major trend. Now, what I really love about what Richard Dennis said is that he could publish his rules in the newspaper and give them away freely to people, and 95% of people wouldn't follow them anyways. Now today we're talking about building confidence and learning to rely on yourself and your trading skills. Now, one of the biggest challenges that retail traders have is that they often will try to trade on short time frames. They'll overtrade, they'll over leverage, they'll take trades outside of their trading plan, and then when that doesn't work, they'll system jump. They'll look for the new holy grail of entries and exits. One of the things that Richard Dennis went through is 7 out of 10 trades for the turtles on average at some points were losing trades. And it takes a lot of understanding of the purpose of your trading plan to continue to execute those trades when you're losing successively like that. Now, where the turtles and where successful trend followers being profitable over the longer term is that they manage their downside. Like William Eckert, who was Richard Dennis's partner in setting the turtles up, really harnessed on, when your trading was going bad, to scale down your trade size so that you could limit your losers, and when your trading was going well, you could scale it up. And as again, retail traders, we do all the wrong things. We sabotage our trading accounts because we want to make the big money from a small account, and we want to do it fast. And we see all this garbage on the internet about people making all this fast cash and everything else, and I'm going to tell you it's not true. It's rubbish. Save your money. Don't buy into any of that garbage. Go back to a lot of the basic systems. The price breakout systems still work to this day. Now, there's a lot of understanding that can come with that, and I talk about studying Peter Brandt's work, Schaubacher, technical analysis, stock markets, Edwards and McGee, but even the basic turtle entries still work in today's markets. But you need to understand, applying that with your other basic technical analysis skills. And the only way you can really do that is learning to go bar by bar. Like I've told you, I've gone to end-of-day trading, and just every week there's just a new nugget that unveils itself to me, and that just comes through studying and patience. I made a lot of mistakes, but now I've really simplified things down to 3-4 basic setups, and it's really become crystal clear. And today, again, just reading through the turtle notes, in that the average big move is about 10 ATR. Now, I just witnessed that with the pound-yen crosses. The pound crosses, they all broke out. We're into the first part of October, so if you look at September's pound crosses, you'll see that there was 800 to 1,000 pip move. And roughly from the breakout of their rectangles or from their flags, that was about 10 ATR. Not on all of them, but roughly on average 8 to 9 to 10 ATR. Now that just sort of hit home with me, because that was a really huge asymmetrical risk reward opportunity trading setup that a lot of day traders may have pyramid into intraday, but they may have also gotten out of that market with limited profits. Whereas if they'd possibly been studying the end of day charts, all they would have had to have done was extrapolated a measured move from the rectangle and been able to look at the bigger rectangle that was there from the previous month's high, and then looked at the opportunity, because that market just took off, and when they take off like that, they've got gas in them to keep them going. So I talk about going to my homepage, getting the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. The purpose of that is one of the components of that is to accelerate your learning. Now, however you're trading, you need to speed that process up through arduous practice and specific practice, simulating real lifetime conditions with your trading. So you need to be going through the markets. Like for me, the end of day is I go bar by bar, and I go through and I try to do at least 10 trades a day minimum on different markets, whether that's commodities, the indexes, the currencies. I want to try and speed that learning process up and again simplify that down to 3 or 4 basic setups that I know occur over the multiples of pairs, over and over again. So get that, ritualize your routines, sharpen your edge, keep getting better, focus on constant progress. That is the only way you're going to build confidence and the ability to execute your trading plan consistently, even when you're going through losing phases, which inevitably all trading systems will experience. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Keep getting better, stay focused on progress, sharpen the edge, build confidence and discipline in your trading, and master the markets. It's a lifelong journey. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.